Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your G-Shock Bluetooth watch to your phone. First, download the appropriate G-Shock connected app from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable. Also, confirm your G-Shock watch has enough battery power for the pairing process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection. Next, let's prepare your G-Shock watch for pairing. Locate the Connect button, usually on the left side, and press and hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds. You should see a flashing Bluetooth icon or the word pair appear on your watch's display, indicating it's in pairing mode. If you're unsure, consult your watch's user manual for precise instructions, as button layouts can vary slightly between models. Now, open the G-Shock connected app on your phone. The app will guide you through the pairing process. It will likely ask you to select your specific G-Shock model from a list. Once you've chosen your watch, the app will attempt to connect. You might see a confirmation request pop up on both your phone and your watch. Accept it on both devices to finalize the connection. After successful pairing, verify the connection by checking the app for a connected status and observing a steady Bluetooth icon on your watch. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and your G-Shock watch. Also, ensure there are no other active Bluetooth devices nearby that might interfere with the pairing process. You should now enjoy all the smart features your G-Shock offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.